Top online side hustles for 2024. Hey there, ambitious hustlers. Welcome back to the channel where we explore the best ways to increase your income, achieve financial independence, and create the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of online side hustles, specifically, the top online side hustles for 2024. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, pay off debt, save for something special, or eventually transition into a full-time online business, this video is for you. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's explore these exciting opportunities together. 1. Freelance services. Our first online side hustle is freelance services. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, freelancing is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and expertise to earn extra income. Whether you're into writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, or even virtual assistants, there's a demand for your skills. The best part? You can work from anywhere, set your own rates, and choose projects that align with your passions and schedule. Getting started with freelancing is easier than ever thanks to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These websites connect you with clients all over the world who are looking for exactly what you offer. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or consultant, there's a project out there for you. Here's a tip: if you're new to freelancing, consider starting with competitive rates to build your portfolio and gain positive reviews. As you accumulate experience and a strong track record, you can gradually increase your prices and attract higher paying clients. It's all about creating a reputation for quality and reliability. 2. Affiliate marketing. Next up, we have affiliate marketing, a tried and true method that has helped countless people monetize their online presence. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or even a strong social media following, affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to turn your influence into income. Here's how it works: you promote products or services that you genuinely believe in, and you earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is its potential to generate passive income. Once you've placed those affiliate links in your content, they continue to earn money as long as people are clicking and buying. This means you can keep earning while you sleep, travel, or work on other projects. To be successful in affiliate marketing, authenticity is key. Promote products that align with your brand and that you genuinely believe will provide value to your audience. Building trust with your followers is crucial for long-term success. Remember, it's not just about making a quick buck, it's about creating lasting relationships and offering real solutions. 3. Print on demand. Coming in at number 3 is print on demand. If you've ever dreamed of seeing your designs on t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases but didn't want to deal with the hassle of inventory, this side hustle is perfect for you. Print on demand allows you to create and sell custom products without ever having to hold stock or manage shipping logistics. With platforms like Teespring, Printful, and Redbubble, you can easily upload your designs, set your prices, and start selling. When a customer makes a purchase, the platform handles the production and shipping, leaving you free to focus on creating more designs and marketing your store. The beauty of print on demand is that it's low risk and high reward. You only pay for the product when it's sold, so there's no upfront cost or risk of unsold inventory. Plus, it's a great way to test different designs and see what resonates with your audience. Whether you're an artist, designer, or just someone with a creative idea, print on demand offers a fun and profitable way to make money online. 4. Online courses and coaching. Fourth on our list is online courses and coaching. If you have a wealth of knowledge in a particular field or a passion for teaching, this side hustle could be a game changer for you. Sharing your expertise through online courses or one-on-one coaching sessions is not only rewarding but also scalable, meaning you can reach a global audience from the comfort of your own home. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it incredibly easy to create and distribute your courses to learners around the world. If you prefer a more personalized approach, offering coaching sessions via Zoom or Coach.me can help you connect directly with clients who are eager to learn from your experience. Here's a tip for success: focus on a specific niche where you can offer unique insights and value. The more targeted your content, the more likely you are to attract students or clients who are truly interested in what you have to teach. And don't forget to engage with your audience, answer their questions, provide feedback, and build a community around your content. This not only enhances the learning experience but also helps you build a loyal following. 5. Content creation and monetization. Next, let's dive into content creation and monetization. Whether you're passionate about vlogging, blogging, podcasting, or sharing your thoughts on social media, content creation is not only a fulfilling side hustle but also a potentially lucrative one. In 2024, the digital landscape is more vibrant than ever, and there's always room for fresh voices and new perspectives. Once you've built an audience, you can start monetizing your content through multiple streams: ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, or even direct support from your fans via platforms like Patreon. The key to success in content creation is consistency and authenticity. The more you engage with your audience and provide value, the more they'll support your work. Building a community around your content is crucial. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that resonates with your followers. The stronger your connection with your audience, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your passion. Remember, it's not just about the numbers, it's about building meaningful relationships and offering something valuable to your viewers, readers, or listeners. 6. Dropshipping. Sixth on our list is dropshipping, an ideal option for those interested in starting an online business without the need to manage inventory. Dropshipping allows you to sell products directly to customers, with a third-party supplier handling storage, packaging, and shipping. This means you can focus on marketing and growing your business without worrying about logistics. Getting started with dropshipping is easier than ever thanks to platforms like Shopify and Oberlo. These tools make it simple to set up your online store, find products to sell, and automate much of the order fulfillment process. But, to be successful, you need to do your homework: research trending products, choose reliable suppliers, and ensure you're offering excellent customer service. To stand out in the competitive world of dropshipping, focus on building a brand that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's through unique product offerings, outstanding customer support, or compelling marketing campaigns, creating a brand that people trust and love is key to long-term success. 7. Selling digital products. Finally, let's talk about selling digital products. If you're creative and enjoy creating things like ebooks, printables, stock photos, or even software, selling digital products is a side hustle with enormous potential. The beauty of digital products is that once they're created, they can be sold repeatedly without any additional work, making this one of the most scalable side hustles out there. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market make it easy to list and sell your digital products to a global audience. The key to success is creating high-quality products that solve a problem or fulfill a need. Whether it's a beautifully designed printable planner, an informative ebook, or a useful software tool, providing value is what will drive sales and grow your business. Once your products are live, focus on marketing. Use social media, email newsletters, and even paid advertising to reach your target audience. And don't forget to gather customer feedback to continuously improve and expand your product offerings. With the right approach, selling digital products can become a significant source of passive income that grows over time. And there you have it, 7 top online side hustles for 2024. These side hustles offer flexibility, creativity, and the potential to grow into something bigger. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or build a full-fledged online business, there's something on this list for everyone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies on making money online. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which side hustle you're excited to try, or if you have any other ideas you'd like to share with our community. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep hustling, stay motivated, and make those dreams a reality.